This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.
What is the best health advice you have ever gotten? Great question. What is the best health advice you have ever gotten? That's a really good one. Well, my friend Dr. Fred Bishy, I gave it earlier. I mean, it's so much great health advice. I mean, you know, pray to God. God heals is the best medicine. But I mean, right now I'm thinking of what he told me, which is unique advice. I won't give you the common great health advice I receive, but the unique advice that's out there. When Dr. Fred Bishy told me, when you love not eating as much as you love eating, you've come to a certain place. And I really like that. That's been a great advice and very helpful over the years. But I've got a lot of health advice. Another great one is to leave your windows open when you're especially when you're sleeping. Leave your windows open at nighttime because the air is not moving. So you definitely want to have a fan on. And if you could leave the windows open, that would be great. If you're flying in the air and you get off the plane, you got a headache because why? Because all the windows were closed and you're dehydrated and the air's not moving. It's study. But, so when you do, you go in your house and you shut all your windows. And the same situation happens. No, I definitely recommend that. Drinking, a good amount of water upon rising is a great one. Getting enough sleep, 8 hours a night is great. Don't be a glutton. Don't go back for 2 plates. Finish your plate and be done. So just some good health advice over the years. I would say the whole thing with the windows open is a big one. But yeah, so those help.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.